Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at just a simple resistance break that we had in the ES this afternoon. You can see that in the morning the ES had a little movement. This was our opening bar, and then we had a push down, left the bottoming tail, and then ended up pushing up, and we just kind of went into chop mode. We chopped pretty much the entire rest of the afternoon, and you can see that we had significant resistance right here. This bar closed right near the resistance line was 34.19 and 3/4. This bar closed right near that. That was a tick underneath it. The body of this bar was at 19 and 3/4. Top of this bar 19 and 3/4. Top of this bar 19 and 3/4. So significant resistance right here at this level, 34.19 and 3/4. And then the ES, we just kind of chopped around, made a little push down, a little head fake to the downside, and then we left this really bullish bar right here. This bar opened right here, pushed down, left the bottoming tail, and then the entire body of this bar was all buying. Caused the 5 and 13 to break back to the upside, left the bullish hammer, and then the next bar that triggered it was a really strong bullish bar also. Little tiny bottoming tail right here. Then the entire body of this bar you can see was all buying. Strong bullish move on the breakout. Our stretch target was 34.29 and a quarter. We actually hit 34.29 and a half. Close enough. You can see as we were hitting our target, and this was right at the end of the day too, by the way. There was a last minute push during the 10-minute crazies that shot us right up to our target. Hit significantly overvalued, so definitely a good place to take some profits off the table right there. But again, just kind of a simple resistance break with a nice strong bullish lead up to the break. That's the important thing, is whenever you're getting a breakout, you want a nice strong lead into the breakout, and then the bar that actually is the breakout bar, you want that to be a strong bar in the direction of the breakout. And then you can see we're just kind of doing the same thing on our Unirenko chart. Unirenko chart, we actually put in a channel because we had this double bottom down here, and that double bottom was at 34.09 and a half, and then we had this double top up here at 34.19 and 3/4. So we just drew our channel in right there, and you can see we just kind of chopped around, made this little head fake to the downside, headed back to the upside, and then as we were triggering that 30-minute hammer, we were breaking out also on our Unirenko chart, made a nice push up, had the little pullback, set up the Trend Pro 2.0 signal off the 18, and then that last minute push into our stretch target. I personally didn't happen to trade this. It was getting towards the end of the day. So I didn't actually trade this, even though our target was up there. Our lower target was 34.24, and we hit that first. So I did not actually take this trade, but we did have the setup. Wick off the 18 Trend Pro 2.0 signal, and we did have that stretch target up there at 34.29 and a quarter. And like I said, right at the last minute or so of the day, price pushed up and hit our target. But all in all, pretty quiet day. Lots and lots of chop, but we did a good job staying out of the chop. We were patient, waited for the breakout, and were able to make some money on the break of resistance.